So I'm here in Todtnau with my good friend Joan, and we're walking up to the waterfall. I've challenged him to take a good photo of this waterfall because I've never managed to achieve one myself. So let's see what happens. So I think this is going to be the big test. He's trying to take a photo with all these people here. Attempt number one. I think we're going to look for a better location.
I got the spot.
You got the spot, okay.
Spot is gone.
Ouch. Okay, that one hurt a little bit. Oh, I'm not sure quite what a good idea this is.
Fantastic idea. This is what we came for, guys, gentlemen. Come on.
To be honest, I had my doubts there, and there was points where I was really questioning the sanity of this. But getting to this point now, yeah, it's probably worth it. Obviously the main problem Joan's having right now is trying to keep the water droplets off his lens.
Next time you see a beach of a waterfall, for God's sake, buy it.
Remember when you were little, you had those harnesses you put around children to make sure they didn't wander off too far? There are times when I wish I had some of them still. Now we've got to go back down again. I'm thinking that I may just turn the camera off, and so I've got both my hands free because I've fallen over twice already on the way up.